Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to create pages in GoModern. So, if you have started your online business with GoModern and you wanted to design your website without any coding skill, without hiring any developer, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to show you very easy and fastest way to create pages for your website. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your GoModern website. Here is the GoModern website admin panel. Then you have to click on the sites. Click on this button or on this section. Then you have to click on the website. And then you have to open your website. For example, I'm going to open this website, and you can see that there are only one page, and here is the option to create page, add new page. So you have to click on the add new page button, and I'm going to add this page name, our teams, or my portfolio. Click on the create page, create new page button. Creating page has been created. So simple and easy. Now the question is that how to design this page. I have already published a full course how to design a website with GoModern, so you can check out this full course in my YouTube channel, and I have shared the course link in the video description, from where you can learn how to design your website with GoModern page builder or GoModern platform. Also, I'm going to show you very quickly. Now you have ready website, but if you click on the preview button, there is 404 not found because you don't added any element in your website. So what you have to do, you have to create from blank file, or you have to use template. Okay, so click on use existing button. So click on create blank file. Then you can start designing your website page. So I hope you understand very easily how to create page on GoModern. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service relevant GoModern or website design development or ranking, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.